How to become a blockchain developer. Do you want to become a blockchain developer? If you do, then you have come to the right place. Today, we'll learn how anyone can become a blockchain developer. Blockchain development requires a different approach. It is not similar to the web development, which makes it far more complex. Without any doubt, we are currently in an industrial transformation. Blockchain is playing a role of catalyst. The result would be more efficient and transparent system across all sectors. For you, this means opportunity. If you are already in the development field, you have better chances to become a blockchain developer. On the other hand, if you are starting, you need to be more patient with yourself. But what do you get after becoming a blockchain developer? Well, let's look into the benefits of becoming a blockchain developer. So, in the internet era, you as a developer can find new things to learn and explore. Blockchain is one of those things that can help you reach your goals as a developer. So, this blockchain development has a high demand. The demand for the blockchain has increased drastically in the last few years. As a technology, blockchain has always been promising, but the real growth and demand started when Bitcoin started to boom. It caught the attention of diverse industries, which means more job opportunities for you. Blockchain is still a high-speed growing technology. It is the new and less than 1% of the population is using blockchain right now. If you invest your time and effort in learning blockchain, you can become a part of the change. It will also bring more opportunities in the future. How to become a blockchain developer? Well, I have a few ideas. Let's break them into steps. Assess your skill set. As a developer, you'll likely have your preferred stack. You might have worked with a few different technologies, but you are currently working on a small range of tech. If this is the case, you are already in a good state. Full stack development experiences is a huge advantage, but not critical at this point. It could be that you have focused solely on the back end but haven't touched the web design. Your main job could be creating React components, but you get skittish when someone mentions microservices. The most important thing is that you know where your strengths and weaknesses lie in a full stack. For me, my back end skills and interests outweighed my propensity for using front end frameworks. Target the required skill set. Now that you know where your strength and weakness lie, it's time to target what you need to learn next. Ethereum is the best entry point in the blockchain development. It has the second highest market cap of any cryptocurrencies. It has held the position for the majority of its lifetime. XRP overtook for a short time during this 2017 boom, meaning it's a very popular project. Ethereum has a large development community so that most issues can be solved with a quick Google search, and the Ethereum Foundation provides a great documentation. First on your list of things to learn is the Ethereum smart contract language, SOLIDITY. This is the backbone of any decentralized application on the Ethereum network. Next up is Node and React, very popular for front-end development and the tools of choice for most app creators. Bonus point for Redux 2. The Truffle suite is an essential tool that helps combine your Solidity code with your front-end code. Using Solidity, Node, Web3.js, and React, you can create, test, and deploy apps from Truffle suite. Learn. Some great YouTube channels are producing a good quality of blockchain development content. Well, we are also making it one. I'll recommend few of the YouTube channels so that you can just follow them. I learned a lot from a creator called D-App University. So links in the description. Just don't forget to check it out. When I first started, Proggery focuses mainly on smart contracts and D-Apps development. The Block Geeks YouTube channel is another great resource. I also highly recommend signing up for the Block Geeks platform. They provide courses and learning resources from the blockchain industry, from development to trading and more. Well, this is not for promotion, so it's one of my favorite things, so that's why I just recommend it to you guys. And then let's get to the fourth step. Just create. Start making things. Push your code to GitHub and make your projects publicly visible. You can use Heroku or GitHub pages for your front end. Deploying smart contracts to Ethereum test network is free. I developed and deployed a decentralized exchange on the Coven test network that I made available on GitHub pages for free hosting. The more you create, the more you'll learn, and the more you'll have in your portfolio to show to interested parties. Creating is the most efficient way of showing that you can develop for the blockchain. Write about your experience. Write about that you learned. Write about the conclusions you made. Maybe you have made good habits that you think might benefit for other developers. Before moving on to the next step, the sub to our channel will be quite interesting. Apply. So you have got an online presence in the form of portfolio. Time to update your CV to focus on the blockchain and apply for some jobs. Fortunately, the industry is forward thinking and remote culture is widespread, so most roles will likely to be partial remote. This is great because unless you are in a tech hub like Silicon Valley, it's unlikely your local area will be abundant with blockchain jobs. Be prepared to look further afield. If you have been in a software for a few years, you'll know that updating your LinkedIn profile to open to opportunities prompts a barrage of recruiters with PHP, .NET, Java, or other jobs available. You'll likely still get that, but looking for the blockchain job specifically will require more hunting on your part than usual. Blocktribe is a blockchain specific ad bot, so keep an eye on newly posted jobs daily. Other than Stack Overflow, LinkedIn, Indeed, and Angel lists are worth checking often. Meet with people. Find your nearest blockchain hub and go there. Introduce yourself as a developer and give as many people your details as possible. Business business cards help. It's all about people. Even if you don't run into anyone looking for the developers right there, and then it's very likely they'll come across people who are. Give your details to as many people interested in blockchain as you can. This is the equivalent of spreading your net wide and getting your name out there. Repeat. Suppose you have managed to get a job after one walk through these steps. Wow, congratulations, you are a superstar, whether you have or not. The next step is to go back to step 1 and repeat. The blockchain space is advancing at breakneck speed. Continual learning is paramount and exciting. Keeping up to date with the latest trends in blockchain development means you are one of the first few people in the world to obtain the knowledge. How good is that? Repeating steps 1 to 6 will help you grow into a source of valuable knowledge in the blockchain development. So that's how you become a blockchain developer. If you like this video, just smash the like button and consider subscribing, and I'll catch up in the next one.